Mean of 20 observations was found as 65, but later on it was found that 69 was misread as 96. Find the correct mean. Now, the basic formula for average is average into quantity is equal to total. Now, mean, that means average of 20 observations. That means the quantity is 20 was found as 65. So that means the total was 65 into 20, that is 1300. But it was found that this total is wrong because 69 was misread as 96. So from 1300 to get the correct total, we'll have to subtract 96 and add 69. So 1300 minus 96 plus 69. That is, we get the answer as 1273. Therefore, the correct mean or the correct average will be 1273 divided by 20. That is 63.65. Therefore, the answer will be option A,